Is Anambra gradually turning to Lagos? My people, as e be like this now, they say that some group of people don take beggars as a business in Anambra, as they go different states for southeast, for other states outside southeast, go dey carry people. They come inside Anambra, take dey use small children, they do business of begging. The things dey happen as some group of human rights organization for Anambra don provoke, say they go make sure say all the whole people wey dey bring these children, they use them, they do begging for Anambra, they go catch them one by one and make sure say they face the judgment. My people, play Anambra don turn to Lagos, so where they waka for streets, they see beggars everywhere. However, I want you to watch this video and see wetin dey happen right now as we dey talk. Don't forget say see there for blabla distance, share this video.
Name these other people. Name that.
Follow them, go.
Tell us exactly what happened.
Okay, we are here today. Government of Anambra State. I am Commissioner of Government Affairs, and he is the MD in charge of Anambra. You can see what has been happening here in Anambra State, where children will be deprived of going to school. During school hours, they will be coming out here to be making. Adults are using them. You know, at times they will even engage in stealing, which is unacceptable. So that's why we decided to come here. We've been wanting them to stop this here in Anambra. You're from Anambra State, right? Have you not been seeing them?
What will be the fate of these children?
You know, some people sent them. They are from families. So definitely we are not just after them. We are to protect them. That's why we got them today, and we're not going to release them. They will take us to their parents, to the people that sent them to come and take them.
So literally, we are after the adults behind them. This is not the first time. Persistently, we have been on raid here, but it keeps on reoccurring. So we are after the adults who use them to make money. Some of these children here, they steal, they pickpockets. So the Ministry of Women Affairs, Children Affairs, and Water Capital Authority collaborated to ensure that we do this enforcement today. And to get to the root of it, we want to see the parents of these children, the guardians of these children, and those syndicates, professional begging facility that has established within the society. We want to get to the root of it and put them from the society. It's unacceptable, totally unacceptable.
My MD, you know, sometimes we see some police officers around them. Are they not part of this enforcement?
It's our duty.
It's primarily the duty of everybody, but it's also collectively the duty of everybody to ensure that every child that is of age to go to school should be in school at school now. And apart from that, no child should be at this very busy part of the city. This is the city center city, and any fatal accident will just make this life.
It's
How many thousands are there? How many thousand beds are safe?
well, we really like 30, 40, and they're not just any 40 because we're still going to raid other areas. We're raiding Anambra State.
It's a continuous effort.
It's a continuous effort.
Thank you.
Where are you from? What is your name? Onye Nsụka biko, onye Nsụka gị nwe onye ebe onye Abakaliki gị nwe onye ebe onye Ebonyi steeti gị nwe onye ebe Ebonyi steeti onye ebe Ebonyi steeti onye Ebonyi steeti gị nwe onye ebe nanka m iburo nanka ni so fa bofu nanka ni so afia bofu and on the same local government onye nto na iji na nwa nwere arụ kedu ebe steeti onye Ebonyi steeti gị nwe onye ebe okay, let's plus and minus. Let's just plus and minus. If I see they wouldn't take care of their children. They will bring them into Anambra State, which is wrong. We're not saying that we're not ready to accept other people, but you don't abuse your child. You have to take good care of your child. Because we are training our own. Train your own. Education is free in Anambra State. So why don't these people, these children, be sent to school? During school hours, they will be there.
Yes.
Begging and stealing at the same time. It's unacceptable. You can't keep going on this way in Anambra State. You have something to tell them.
Well, you said it all. We can't keep on going this way. It's unacceptable. The livable and prosperous homeland, the governor promised in the Anambra, it's not with this kind. We can't have children in this condition. We are going to rehabilitate them. But very most importantly, we are going to get to the root of it. will get to their parents, will get to their guardians, and those using them to do business. And like this young man here, we've arrested him more than 14 times. These guys they have become hardened criminals overnight because of the kind of exposure they get here. So we're going to get to the root of it, like I said earlier. Thank you.
Okay, you know what? Una actually be free. Yes. Unu get tomorrow, unu get to go find onye bụ mamun. Mommy again na na. Unu ga abọ nta, onye bụ friend. Okay, we are going to come back tomorrow, eh? Then I hear you number mama say we na number papa. Una nya that we will call them. And you release the so when the parents will you keep quiet?
Okay, my wonderful people, as you dey watch am, na so we dey see am. You see these small children. Now person go wake up, go carry them, come inside Alibo for Anambra, and I believe say these people go don dey do this thing for different states. They collect money for people hand. Once the children gather this money finish, they go collect their own share, go their own house. You see wetin dey happen for inside our state. Abeg o, I wan make everybody wake up and say no to this thing. We cannot turn our land into Owomidao. You know na the place where they stay for where Hausa and Fulani don turn to all the whole street from Anambra, Okpaja, Lekki, everywhere. You see beggars on the road. They beg for money. I know say it is hard, but not to bring these children wey suppose dey for school come stand for road. We must say no to this act. Anybody wey dey do am must face the law. My people, share the video.